Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This video today, I'm going to show you a couple of things. One of them is when you're drawing in freehand, you have a slider scale right here that goes from 1 to 100. And I'm going to try to draw this kind of with the freehand tool and not have it on. And you can see how it's kind of rough and pointed. Now I'm going to keep that one up on the screen. I'm going to get the freehand tool. I'm going to bump it up to 100. That's as high as it'll go. And then we're going to draw it. And what's going to happen is Corel is actually smoothing out your hand movement. Look at the difference. You know, this one, they're a little bit different in size, but if you look, and if we go to object, well, grab it with the shape tool, we have 39 nodes. On this one, we only have 6. There's quite a bit of difference. So what's cool about this, when you're drawing with that one, it closes your joints. I'm still not exactly happy with this. So I'm going to grab the shape tool and I'm going to bring this in, maybe bring this out, maybe bring this down. Now, I'm not happy with the corner, so I'm going to grab the smoothing tool. If you have X18 or above, it'll give you the smoothing tool. And what that does is just kind of smoothing out those corners. Now, this isn't really too abstract, but what's good about it, we can Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key so it'll grow in the inside, and you could then kind of rotate it one way or the other. Let's select it all, and let's go to Effects and Blend, and we're going to blend, I'm going to say 150 times, because it's kind of small, and you get that effect. Now, what is cool about this is you could grab that center one and still rotate it more, or move it around and completely change your blend, or go over here and right click blue, and now you've changed the blend, so the blend's progressively getting from blue to red. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.